Hello, well, welcome to the channel. Today we're running a little Sonic out here on the beautiful beach. Well guys, that's one way to kill your RC car very fast, is submerge it in salt water. Oh my god. Oh yeah, like the servo shot, man. Look. Damn. Can't win. Oh. I'm getting bit by these damn, look at these flies. They're biting the crap out of me. How the hell do people spend all day out here dealing with this? This is nonsense. It's such a shame. This thing can do it too. I'll be doing some work to this thing when I get home. Might need a whole lot of stuff. Might be better buying another one, but I like this RC. Let's see. Nope. The whole RC's dead now. Oh man, that's like the shortest lived RC run I think ever. I don't know. Well, probably not ever, but damn guys, I'm sorry. I mean, I went over the thing and I was like, oh. And from where I was standing, I could see how close it was to the water. Oh man. Well, let's see. Well, too bad I can't steer it. It's kind of like on its own. That really sucks. But hell, it's doing good. All I can do is go forward and backwards. Guess I'm lucky that much still works. Oh, did you see that freaking wheelie? Oh man, I can't believe I can't steer this thing. Let's see, wheelie. Damn. Well guys, sorry. I really wanted to have a better video for you. Maybe this was entertaining for you. Watch me submerge my poor car. Oh man. Well, I guess I need to go flush this thing out with some fresh water. Try to salvage what I can. Ugh. Damn. That really sucks. Golly, man, that servos. Hey. Maybe it'll. Hey, oh, look at that. We're steering. For the time being. Hell yeah, I want to run this whole battery pack down. If I can, this shit's... And man, I brought like one piece of tape to put the camera on there to film, and it got wet. And now I wanted to put the camera on the side there so you guys could see like the tires, and I thought it'd be cool, like the tires kicking up some sand on the camera, but that's not gonna happen. Sorry. Everything's back at the campsite. Yeah, we don't want to get too close to that again. Whew. Look at it go, man. This is a $50 car. Oh no, 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 no. Oh shit. Woo. Damn, I lost the servo again. Let's see if we get it back. Well, everyone, we did have some fun out here. I think we got to show that this is a capable little RC. I'm amazed. Unfortunately, sinking it in salt water wasn't the best thing. I'll have an update later. Oh look, the lights still work. So yeah, I'll get home. It's either gonna be the servo or that receiver combo died. So we'll get it fixed. We'll get it fixed. Get it back out. I'm probably not gonna be at the beach for a long time, but oh, I sure did have fun while it lasted, man. This thing does freaking amazing. I can't believe it. All right, everyone. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Wash the RC, wash the RC, wash out the RC.
All right, everyone. I don't want to keep you in suspense. Check it out. We got lights. We got throttle. We got steering. This thing went swimming in salt water. It's a day later. Ooh. Everything working. Oh no. That's not good. Oh no. That's the dog waste. You don't want that. Check it out. Oh my. I can't believe it, man. This thing freaking works. It freaking works. Where's it at? Guys, I'll tell you what, man. $50 car. It just went swimming in the Gulf of Mexico, and it still works. Unbelievable. Guess my I guess the freshwater rinse worked. Oh man, guys, I was too excited. I had to end the video on a good note. The little Laegendary lives on. Can't believe that. If this would have been like a friggin' $500 RC, it would have been fried. 50 bucks. Is she still going?